What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 15 free stocks plus $30 in free cash, get down to the description box and click on that Moo link. Open up your new Moo account today. If you put $100 in that new Moo brokerage account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks plus $30 in cash. If you put $1,000 in your new Moo brokerage account, they're going to give you 15 free stocks, publicly traded companies, plus $30 in cash reward. Guys, don't miss this opportunity because it's a limited time opportunity. Get down in the description box and click on that Moo link. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. I'll also send you 2 Moo tutorial videos to show you how to use the Moo brokerage app. Plus, I can send you my 2 wealth transfer blueprint videos that outlines all the big boy blue chips paper assets that I'm buying over the next 10 years to 10x my net worth. If you want to copy that plan, you're more than welcome to. Just understand I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not giving you financial advice. All you got to do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net, second link down in the description box. Let me know you opened the Moo account, you funded it, and I'll send you those videos and the tutorials from Moo. Well, guys, you got to ask yourself this question. Is the stock market rally over? Let's jump right into it so we can answer that question. Here's the headline. Dow Jones drops 200 points as post-election rally sputters. Fed Chair Powell signals caution on rate cuts. That's starting off bad. U.S. stocks did a slide on Thursday as Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell signaled that the strength of the economy could warrant some patience with future rate cuts. Now, y'all know investors did not want to hear that when they've already priced in to the tune of about 90% that they were going to cut rates in December. Now he comes out and says, well, the economy's doing great. We may not cut rates. That's not good for the stock market, guys. That's not good. The Dow slipped 207.33 points or 0.47% to close at 43,750.86. Y'all already know we've already been north of 44,000. So this is a retreat, right? Not good. The S&P 500 fell 0.6% to end at 5949.17. Again, a retreat because we've already eclipsed 6,000 points. The NASDAQ composite pulled back 0.64% to 19,107.65. That's a pullback as well. So you got all 3 major indexes pulling back this week. Is that a sign that our rally is over? The rally is done for 2024. I don't know. We'll have to figure that one out, right? Stocks took a leg lower after Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell said in Dallas the central bank didn't need to be in a hurry to slash rates. The strength we are currently seeing in the economy gives us the ability to approach our decisions carefully, Powell said. I wonder how much of that posture has to do with President Trump putting pressure on him. Because you know President Trump wants interest rates down. That's his mandate to the Fed, right? So how much of that is just posturing against President Trump? I don't know. But you got to think about that. Fed funds futures trading reflected a decline in odds for a quarter-point cut at the central bank's December meeting, sliding to about 62% on Thursday afternoon. That's down from 82.5% earlier in the day. Now you're starting to see why the market's selling off and people are going back to safety, because a lot of folks believe the rally is done for this year. And they're like, hey, let me get my profits before they deteriorate further, and let me go to safety, and I'll see you guys in 2025. So-called Trump trades also lost steam as the market rally cooled. Tesla tumbled 5.8%, while the small cap benchmark Russell 2000 dropped more than 1% and underperformed the major averages. Those moves come after the October Producer Price Index, PPI, released Thursday rose 0.2%, matching forecasts from economists polled by Dow Jones. PPI, excluding food and energy, ran faster than forecast. The October Consumer Price Index came in as expected on Wednesday, but nevertheless signaled the Federal Reserve's fight against inflation is yet to be won. Core CPI rose by 0.3% for a third straight month, with the 12-month rate at 3.3%. Investors are deliberating whether a post-election rally following Donald Trump's decisive victory last week still has room to run after powering the major averages to new milestones. The Dow closed above 44 for the first time on Monday, and both the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ composite notched new highs. The fact that we had such an explosive week last week, now we're having a bit of a hangover. This is coming from your chief global strategist at Freedom Capital Markets. But we're holding on to most of those gains. So I think this week, if anything, is constructive. Is the rally over, guys? I hope not. But if it is, 2024 has still been a phenomenal year. You're talking about the S&P 500 index over 20%. You're talking about the Dow that hit 44,000 points for the first time ever. You're talking about the NASDAQ that hit close to 20,000 points. And you're talking about an S&P 500 that went over 6,000 points for the first time in its history. So 2024 has been amazing, guys. And I hope you've been investing through dollar cost averaging all along, because you should have been doing that, in my opinion. I still believe the rest of this year is going to be phenomenal. I think the second half of November, as we push on into December, whether the Fed reduces rates or not, I believe we'll finish strong. But that's just my belief, right? I'm looking at history that says November and December historically have been strong months for the stock market. But nevertheless, I'll continue to dollar cost average in and look towards 2025, which I believe will be another phenomenal year for growth assets, because I still firmly believe the Federal Reserve will continue their rate reduction cycle. If you want the 15 free stocks from Moomoo plus the $30 in free cash, guys, you got to get down to the description box and click on the Moomoo link. Open up that Moomoo account today. Go get the free stock. Go get the free money. It would be great, guys, if you would go stop by my website, which is www.richardfain.net. I got 10 big boy blue chip digital products that can collapse time frames and help you get to your financial freedom faster. Check them out, guys. Over 400,000 of you guys have checked out the website, and plenty of you guys have purchased digital products and made an investment in yourself. Also, while you're there, consider joining the Wealth Builders. We're the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We have over 1,000 Wealth Builders in about 6 months. And all we do in our financial community is help one another build wealth. None of us are experts. We're just normal, everyday retail investors trying to figure out how we can buy big boy blue chip paper assets to build our wealth. And how do we help each other do that? Through dropping golden nuggets, tips, best practices, what's working, what's not working, and just creating a safe environment for investors, just like you and I. If you want to be a part of that community, click on that membership button or that join button in the website. Get yourself over to Patreon. Sign up. Become a wealth builder today. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.